Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. I'm tidying up the interior on my Alfa Romeo 147, and today it's finally time to replace the gear knob. You can see that this one right here is all worn out, even the leather is coming off, so I'm gonna show you how to easily replace it in only a couple of minutes. I'm gonna start by undoing this little button at the front, and I'm gonna push the gator all the way down. Next, I'm gonna take my box cutter and I'm gonna cut the back side. Now that I've done that, I'm just gonna make a little bit of room and I'm gonna pull the knob up. So there it is. There's our old gear knob. Now, as you can see right here, essentially there is no screws or anything like that. There's just this little notch at the front which holds the gear knob in place. I'm gonna take the new one. Again, you can see we got that same notch at the front, and I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna hit it a couple of times, but you want to be careful not to hit it too hard. You don't want to damage the plastic base. And that is pretty much it. So there you go, we got the new gear knob installed in just a couple of minutes, and I gotta admit it makes a world of difference. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you liked it, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing.